All right. Miss Hatcher allowed me to see the grades and for, of course, my students. But on my side, it says she has a 60. All right. So let me pause and then show you what's on the report card side. But according to the report card grade, if you look at T3 for world history, it's saying she has a 47. And then she bought me her report card and it showed another grade, whether it was 47 or 40 something. So on one side it's 60, or my grade book is 60. On the other side it's 47. And it's like that in all three of my classes, I believe. In a minute, let me show another. So another example from my first period class was Marion Johnson, 41. But on her side, and what was on the report card, it was a 22 for my class. So when I spoke to Ms. Hatcher, she said she printed out grades around somewhere between 2 and 5 o'clock. But I was through with my grades around 11 or 12. And I remember because we had a meeting at the resource center. So when I saw that there was a difference, I went into a couple of teacher grade books and, to let Miss Jessie know that some of theirs was different than I believe, and that you all got together and got those situated. But because I saw so many of them from different classes, I was concerned because I was trying to figure out how it was on the report card. And some of them manually bought me report cards and told me that, they had this grade and asked me about it. And when I looked at my grade book, it was different. So I know I did not press those 3 or 4 buttons that other teachers did on that go around, because that was my first time seeing that. And I think it was a means of finalizing, and maybe that's something that took place. But whatever it was, I just wanted to know and wanted to show kind of video on what I was looking at.